Hello, my beautiful ladies. Welcome to Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks Live. I am Deepa. In today's live, I would like to show you some beautiful combinations of Kanchi Pattu sarees. First, I would like to tell about my jewelry. Take a close look. Neck piece and beautiful earrings as well as bangles. This elegant set is from Shriya Raj Jewelries located at Madhapur and USA. I'll start with my sari first. This is Kanchi Pattu sari. It's a green with mustard combination. On body, all over floral booties. And look here. Wow, it has cross lines and peacocks. This is the pallu. It has cross lines with peacocks and florals too. Check this blouse, it's a contrast one. Or else you can team up like this. This is a designer wear blouse and from our brand, R for Rupamani. You can contact for blouses. It's the same number 8900010002. I'll tell you the pricing details. ₹15,840. CF 169. To place an order, please use this code and order. Next sari. To the people of Karnataka, ivattu nanu Kanchi Pattu sarees ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Check this. ಈ ಸೀರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And this is light blue color with peach combination. It's a Kanchi Pattu saree, it's a Kanchi Reshmi saree, and on body self-embossed with unicorns in circles. It has beautiful border. Peachish pink it is. On borders cross lines and peacocks. We have peacocks here also in two lines. This is the pallu. On pallu, florals in cross checks. It's a contrast blouse. These are all weavers' prices. Hurry up, ladies. 15,999. CB 564 is the code. Next saree, most requested combination. Check this. It's a beige with blue combination. On body florals and peacock booties in zari. On borders, cross lines and florals are. Pallu is a floral brocade one. Check this combination. Looks stylish. It's a contrast blouse. It's 15,999. BQ 528 is the code. And we provide two buying options. One is take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Other one is you can directly go to the description box and click on the links. You can buy from there. Next one. It's a pink kanchipattu on body floral booties and cross checks. Check the borders, cross lines and diamonds. Pallu is a floral brocade one. It's a contrast blouse. I'll tell you the pricing details. 15,199 rupees. BU 118 is the code. Hello Daksha ji. Yes, my jewelry is from Sriyaras, located at Madhapur, Hyderabad, and also another branch in USA. Oh, different combination. Check this gold with it's a sea green, I think in between sea green and parrot green. Different shade of green it is. On body florals and leaves jewel in tissue. On borders floral jewel and dollars in boxes. Pallu is a brocade one. It's a contrast blouse. See the combination. I'll tell you the pricing details. 15,199 rupees. CE 942 is the code. Next saree. In today's live, I'm showing some beautiful kanchipattu sarees with different patterns, different patterns and colors too. Pink with cream. And we don't have any zari on body. Check here, florals and paisleys in self. Here is the border with zari. It has diamonds and florals, dollars in boxes. On pallu, florals and cross lines. And I'll check the blouse. This saree has got contrast blouse. Pricing details. It's 14,960 rupees. BY166 is the code. Next one. Hello Miss Karuna, thanks for your compliment. Yes, we have beautiful collection today. All are hand-picked sarees and kanchipattu collection. Check this one. Varchashvi Chaganti garu. This saree is for you. Check this color. It's a maroon. Maroon kanchipattu it is, on body peacocks and florals in circles with self. Check here, floral zal and zigzag lines with zari. It's a silver zari. Brocade pallu. Saree has brocade pallu and all maroon flavor, all over maroon. Check this self blouse with nice border. I'll tell you the pricing details. 8,079 rupees. CE 971 is the code. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it. I'll be back with different beautiful kanchipattu saree.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes, ladies, I am back with one more Kanchipattu saree. Oh, check this combination. Miss Karuna, this saree is for you. It's a magenta with navy blue, dark pink. It's a magenta with navy blue. Kanchipattu saree it is. It has plain body. When it comes to borders, florals, peacocks, triangles, Kadian lines. On border we have two zaris, both silver and gold zari. Check here, it's a brocade pallu and super lightweight saree it is. Check this contrast blouse. I'll tell you the pricing details. 7,759. CE 979 is the code. Hello Charu Mohan, thank you so much. Please comment your favorite combinations. Check this combination, not a regular one, different combination. It is green with blue. On body, it has florals and leaves in zari. Check here, floral zal with peacocks and diamonds. Pallu is a diamond brocade one. Contrast blouse. It's 15,999. BR 412 is the code. Hello Satya Garu, thank you so much. Please comment your favorite combination or favorite fabric name. Kanchipattu, Gadwal Pattu, fancy, kind of. Check this combination. This is also a rare combination, not a regular one. Different shade of green with grey. Kanchipattu saree it is. On body, floral booties in zari. Look at the borders. It has circles and florals with cross lines. Check this beautiful pallu, paisleys and florals are. Blouse is a contrast one. I'll tell you the pricing details. 8,319. It's 8,319 rupees. CE 981 is the code. Next one, Miss Karuna, yes. I'll try to show you Gadwal Pattu in next live. CE 972 is the code. Code for this saree is CE 972 and I'll explain about this saree first. Check this one. It's a navy blue with pink combination. On body floral booties we have. Check here. Floral zal and cross lines with paisleys. There is no zari on saree. Check here. On pallu, diamonds, dollars in lines. It's a contrast blouse. Pricing details 6,959 rupees. CE 972 is the code. To place an order, please use this code and Let's move on to the next saree now. Oh, it's a red. Most wanted color. Check this. It's a red kanchi pattu. This saree has floral booties in diamond shapes. Wow, it has big, beautiful border. On border, cross lines with peacocks in boxes. Here we have peacocks. Pallu is a brocade one. Self blouse with big border. Pricing details. 13,599 rupees. CE 976 is the code. Hello Guru Shri Garu. We have 17 plus showrooms across South India, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And this live is happening from Hyderabad store, Telangana. You can visit your nearest store. It's a different shade of green. Different combination it is. Check this saree. On body, floral booties in saree. On borders, florals and diamonds in lines with onion pink edge. See this beautiful pallu. It has cross lines and blouse is a contrast one. I'll tell you the pricing details. ₹15,749. CE 965 is the code. Hello Karuna Garu. I'll try to show. Please stay tuned. Watch this live till the end. I'll try to show. It's a kanchi pattu saree. Light peach with red combination. Super duper combination it is. On body it has florals and leaves jal in saree. Check here. It has beautiful border. On border cross lines with peacocks in boxes. It's a floral brocade pallu. Contrast blouse. Pricing details. CE 968 is the code. 13,599 rupees. We ship globally and we have cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. Next saree. These are all pure kanchi pattu sarees. See the quality of zari, see the combinations. It's a tissue kanchi pattu, green with blue combination. On body, florals and leaves jal in tissue. Check here. It has florals and paisleys with cross lines. Pallu is a brocade one. Lot of zari on pallu. Contrast blouse. ₹15,199. CE 974 is the code. Moving on to the next saree. Aha, super lightweight saree. Check this combination. Wow, I'm loving this combination, pink with maroon. light color, stylish color with traditional color combination. On body, floral booties in zari. When it comes to borders, it looks very authentic, super traditional. It has florals and leaves with cross lines on borders. Check this pallu, floral booties in checks. Blouse is a contrast one. See this combination, don't miss this saree. Beautiful combination. I'll tell you the pricing details. Very reasonable, 7,039 rupees only. CE 985 is the code. Moving on to the next saree. Today's collection is Kanchipattu. It's a red Kanchipattu with silver zari here and golden zari border. On body, it has florals and leaves in tissue. It looks royal, elegant. On borders, floral zal with cross lines. Pallu is a brocade one. Check this combination. This kind of sarees will give you super duper royal look. 11,199 rupees. CE 975 is the code. Next saree. Oh, very nice combination. Sea green with magenta. On body, floral booties in zari. Suraksha ji, you are asking for magenta, right? It says sea green with magenta. Check this saree. I'll try to show you peacock blue and magenta also. Check this border, florals in paisleys with cross lines. Pallu is a brocade one. It's a contrast blouse. I'll tell you the pricing details. 16,500 rupees. CE 418 is the code. Next saree. Wow, with copper zari. See this? It's a navy blue Kanchipattu. On body, it has cross design. Like this. It's a cross design. Started here. It's a kaddi border. I would say it's a borderless saree. Different pattern it is. Check this. Pallu is a kaddi pallu with copper zari. This is the blouse. Pricing details. It's 15,999. CF22 is the code. Next saree. evergreen combination, traditional combination, yellow with pink. On body, floral booties in zari. On borders, it has cross lines with paisleys. Pallu is a brocade one. It has nice contrast blouse. Pricing details. It's 9,199 rupees. CE 984 is the code. Next saree. See this? It's a peach kanchi pattu. On body, florals and leaves in saree. It's a borderless saree. Moving on to the pallu. See this? It's a brocade one. Self blouse. Pricing details. 5,839 rupees. CF13 is the code. And Sumanji, you can mention that code. I'll tell you the price. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
I'm back with one more kanchi pattu saree, but some people are asking about my jewelry. Take a close look. This jewelry is from Sriyaras, located at Madhapur, Hyderabad and USA. Check this piece and earrings, stud with drop, and this beautiful bangle, screw type bangle. Yes. Next saree. Today's collection is kanchi pattu. Wow, green with black. It's a plain body and the saree has big border. On border, florals and leaves shawl. It's a skirt border with silver zari. Pallu is a brocade one. It has contrast blouse with combination of gold and silver zari. Pricing details. 14,080 rupees. CE 978 is the code. Hello, Miss Suman. Please comment with code or saree combination. It will be easy for me to tell the price. Or else you can take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. You will get all the details. It says sea green. Sea green kanchi pattu. On body, floral booties in zari. It's a copper zari. Saree has beautiful small borders downside as well as top side with copper zari. It has florals and leaves shawl. It's a floral brocade pallu. Contrast blouse with copper zari border. Pricing details. 7,039 rupees. CF11 is the code. Moving on to the next saree. Check this one. It's a mustard with navy blue combination. On body it has florals and peacocks in zari. Check here. Diamonds and florals are on borders. It's a copper zari. On pallu, floral booties and boxes too. This saree has got nice contrast navy blue blouse with copper zari border. I'll tell you the pricing details. 6,959 rupees. CE 977 is the code. Wow. Rare combination. It looks different. It's a gold with navy blue. Different shade of gold it is. On body florals and leaves jewel in tissue. When it comes to borders, diamonds, floral zal and paisleys with zigzag lines here. Pallu is a brocade one. Check this. Tissue blouse. 16,500 is the price. CE 969 is the code. And this live is happening from Hyderabad Jubilee Hills store. Super duper lightweight saree. Pink with beige combination. On body self florals and leaves in boxes. Check here. It has diamond booties on borders. Pallu with cross lines. Contrast blouse. ₹7,599. CC 49 is the code. Next saree. Vibrant combination, mehndi green with peach. Very, very bright. On body florals and leaves with paisleys in self. This fabric is very smooth and comfortable. Check here. It has diamonds and florals in boxes. On pallu, florals and leaves in lines. Saree has got contrast blouse. I'll tell you the pricing details. It's 15,199 rupees. CF23 is the code. Hello, Miss Radhika. Thanks for your compliment. Yes, we have beautiful collection today. Let's move on to the next saree. We have wide range of collection. You can visit the store. It's a kanchipattu, peach with pink combination. On body, florals and leaves jal in saree. Check this beautiful border, floral zal and diamonds. Pallu is a brocade one. Check this combination. It's a contrast blouse. Pricing details. 13,599 rupees. CD 122 is the code. Next saree. We have cash on delivery option within Hyderabad and we ship globally too. Again yellow with pink. One more choice in yellow with pink combination. It has florals on body with silver zari, rose flowers. Check here on borders, cross lines with peacocks and florals. Check this beautiful pallu. It's a floral brocade one with silver zari. It's a contrast blouse. Pricing details. 13,199 rupees. BZ 511 is the code. Let's move on to the next saree. Bright combination, blue with pink. Check this combination. And on body, floral booties with zari. Check here, cross lines with peacocks and floral zal. See this floral brocade pallu. And this is the blouse, it's a contrast one. I'll tell you the pricing details. 8,159 rupees. BZ 687 is the code. These are all weavers prices. Hurry up ladies. Don't miss this chance. Prices are valid for only 24 hours. Check this. It's a blue with pink. Pink saree with navy blue combination. On body, it's a peachish pink. On body, floral booties in curvy checks with zari. It's a silver zari. Look at the borders, floral zal and cross lines with booties. Check this pallu, it's a brocade one. And saree has got contrast blouse with silver zari border. 10,559 rupees. CD 675 is the code. Next. Blue with red. Check here, on body it has florals and leaves jal in zari. It's a champagne gold zari. It's a different shade actually, not a regular gold zari. Here we have gold zari on borders, cross lines and florals with peacocks. Beautiful pallu with florals and leaves jal. This is the blouse, it's a contrast one. 13,599 rupees. CF24 is the code. Next saree. Check this. It's a light blue with peach combination. Kanchipattu saree it is. On body, floral booties in zari. We have two zaris here, silver as well as rose gold. Look at the borders, floral zal and cross lines in lines. Pallu is a brocade one. Contrast blouse. 8,239 rupees. CE 945 is the code. Moving on to the next saree. For any queries, you can contact 8900010002. It's a kanchipattu, dark magenta with green combination. On body, floral booties in zari. Check here, it has cross lines and floral zal. Both downside as well as top side, same kind of borders. See this pallu? Floral booties in cross checks. Check this blouse. Nice combination. It's a contrast blouse. Very reasonable price, 6,479. BZ667 is the code. Next saree. Gold with blue combination. It's a light blue. On body, florals and leaves jal in tissue. It's a tissue kanchipattu saree. On borders, it has florals and leaves with cross lines. Check this pallu. It's a brocade one. This saree has got contrast blouse. Tissue blouse with border. 15,199 rupees. CE 973 is the code. One super traditional color is coming on the way. Stay tuned. Check this. Very authentic. Maroon kanchipattu with nice pattern. On body, florals and peacock booties in zari. Look at the borders. It has cross lines, diamonds in lines. Both downside as well as top side. We have same kind of borders. See this pallu? It has cross lines on pallu. Self blouse. It matches with my blouse also. Check with my blouse. It's a contrast one for this saree. Pricing details. 14,080 rupees. CF7 is the code. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Have a look on it. I'll be back with super duper kanchipattu saree.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes, next saree. Miss Shobha, thank you so much. And see this saree. Thanks for your compliment for my Kannada too. Tumba santosha. Check this. It's a pink with navy blue combination. Self-embossed body. We don't have any zari on body and border too. On borders, floral booties in self with skirt border. See this pallu? Zigzag lines on pallu. I'll show you the blouse. Check this. It's a contrast blouse. 9,064 rupees. CE 970 is the code. Some people are requesting for my jewelry. I'm showing again. Check this beautiful neck piece. This jewelry is from Shriyaras, located at Madhapur, Hyderabad, and also in USA. And beautiful bangle and earrings too. Start with drop. Moving on to the Kanchipattu saree collection. Check this one. It's a sea green Kanchipattu. On body florals and leaves in boxes with zari. Check this small beautiful border. Florals and dollars in boxes. Pallu is a brocade one. Contrast blouse. Pricing details 12,320 rupees. CE 995 is the code. And dear ladies, these are all weavers prices and valid for 24 hours only. So hurry up. Don't delay to buy today because this offer is valid for 24 hours only. Check this mehndi green with magenta combination Kanchipattu. On body, peacocks and florals are. See this? Cross lines with peacocks on borders with pink edge. On pallu, it has cross lines. See the quality of zari. Lot of zari on pallu. Check this combination. 15,749 rupees. CE 982 is the code. Next saree. This saree is with copper zari. Base Kanchipattu saree on body floral booties with copper and silver zari too. Check this border. Cross lines with peacocks, florals in boxes. It's a tasteless brocade. Contrast blouse with reasonable price. Check the pricing details. 6,959 rupees. CE 980 is the code. Oh, check this combination peach with pink. We have 2-3 choices in peach and pink combination today. On body floral booties in cross checks. Check here, cross lines and florals all. On pallu, florals and peacocks in hues paisleys. Blouse is a contrast one. Pricing details. This is the last but one saree. 11,999 is the price. CE 967 is the code. Moving on to the last saree now. Oh, this is the last saree from today's live. It's a blue. Blue with blue combination. Different shades of blue. On body, floral booties in zari. It's a gold zari. Check here. On borders, it has diamonds, florals with peacocks in boxes. Pallu is a brocade one. It's a contrast blouse. Different shade of blue it is. 10,799 rupees. CE 983 is the code. We will see the mannequins now. It's a blue kanchipattu sari on body. Floral booties in sari. Check the borders, florals and lace jal. Pallu with booties in cross lines. Self blouse. It has self blouse and pricing details. CF16 is the code. 9,199 is the price. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Next saree on mannequin. It's a pink with sea green. It's a kanchipattu saree on body. Floral booties in saree. Look at the borders, stripes in lines with floral zal. Pallu with paisleys in drop booties and cross lines. This saree has got nice contrast blouse. Pricing details, CC1 6,959 rupees. Let's move on to the next mannequin now. Oh, different combination it is. Rare combination. Different shade of grey with magenta. It's a kanchipattu saree. On body, florals and leaves jal in saree. Look at the border, how beautiful it is. And it has cross lines with peacocks and florals. Pallu with florals and leaves jal. This saree has got contrast blouse. Pricing details. CE 966 is the code. 13,599 rupees. And these are all weavers prices, ladies, valid for 24 hours only. Next mannequin. On mannequin we have peach with pink combination kanchipattu saree. On body, floral booties in saree with self. On borders, it has florals and leaves jal. Pallu is a floral brocade one. Blouse is a contrast one. Price. CF12 is the code. 13,200 is the price. Yes, ladies, live time is up. That's it for today. And I'm back with beautiful collection with beautiful fabrics, beautiful sarees. So take care. Bye-bye.
సో కాంచీపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్స్లో షాపింగ్ సూపర్గా ఉందండి. మీరు కూడా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్స్ చూసే ఉంటుంటారు. ఒకవేళ మీరు కనుక అప్డేట్స్ మిస్ అయి ఉంటే తప్పకుండా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్ వీటి అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ గురించి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో దట్ యూ కెన్ నెవర్ మిస్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.